So we're going to go over how to use a muscle percussion tool, which is something similar to this, over a certain muscle in your neck called your levator scapula muscle. It can be one of the culprits to producing some sensations of tightness, discomfort, pain, fatigue, ache, things like that. So I wanted to show you how to use a muscle percussion tool to help possibly reduce some of that sensitivity that you're feeling. So first, that muscle is found over the back of your neck and it goes down to the top of the shoulder blade. So let me show you what I mean. So it starts here in the back of the head, right here on the corner portion. It goes down the neck and then it attaches right down here to the top corner of your shoulder blade. We tend to use level 1 just because here in the clinic it seems to be a little more tolerant to a lot of our clients right off the bat. But by all means, it is to your tolerance. So what we're going to do is, because we are working on the right side, I typically use the left hand to do it, just because it allows me to relax that area a little bit easier without me having to hold my arm up. So anyways, you're going to start there at the top, and then I kind of just work my way down towards the back of my shoulder. The benefits of this in reducing that sensitivity is not about the pressure per se, but basically what your body responds best to. So if lighter pressure seems to be working for you, by all means use that. If you prefer the deeper pressure and you feel like that works better for you, listen to your body, it'll tell you. So that's all I'm doing, is just working up the side of the neck, or the back of the neck, and working my way down to the top of my shoulder blade there. As I start getting used to that and it's a little less sensitive, what you can start doing is applying the muscle tool there and look down and away towards your armpit here. So you're going to look down and to the left when you're working on the right levator scapula. So I'll give you another view. I'll spin around and I'm just going to work at the top and work my way down until I hit about the top of the shoulder blade, which is right around there. I'm going slow, smooth, controlled motion, and I can come back and then I can look down and away to stretch it a little bit more as I'm using the tool there. So that is how we tend to use the muscle percussion tool on the levator scapula muscle. Go ahead and try it out, and I'll see you in the next video.